Baba na ko ron guys, baba na ko. Baba na ko dito. Ayan. Time to get out. Ay, sana maabutan ko yung second ride ko kasi ayun na yung sa kabila, oh. Andiyan na yung bus sa kabila. 21. 21 kasi yung bus ko. Tapos yung dalawang 21. Andiyan na yung 21. Andiyan na yung 31. Alright. Oh, yung babae nakaskate. Kailangan kong tumabok. Wala namang sasakyan. Kaya tabok. Yan. Pero dito, hindi pwede. Yan. Para maabutan ko talaga yung bus tabok, yung isang tabok. Total, hindi pa man siya nag-green. So, ayan. Sana maabutan ko yung bus. Tingnan ko daw kung dumaan na ba o wala pa. Ganda talaga ng weather guys, tingnan nyo. Green na green, pati ako naka-yellow green. Kaya, chokes lang. So how many minutes? 2 minutes more. Ayan, 2 minutes more. Ayan o. Nakalagay dyan. 21 Sibald Brook. 2 minutes more to go. So dito ako sa bus stop nag-antay.
2,000 years later.
Yan po guys, nandito ko na yung dried fish fresh from Philippines, from Cagayan, Dalari Jurel. Ayan. Gawin ko niyan, gawa ko ng escabeche. At ito, nakagawa na ako ng sauce. Ayan po ang sauce niya. So, yan po. Gusto ko kasi ang sauce sa mga escabeche. Pwede ko nang ulamin yan dahil kahit wala ng isda o dried fish. Ayan. Baliktad ko muna. Mga amoy naman ito mamaya dito pero okay lang. Kasi ko ito. Buksan ko lang yung bintana mamaya. Magkabilaan sa sala at sa para mawala yung amoy. Wala ko magawa eh. Hindi sana kung meron akong balkon. Para doon ko sa balkon niluto yung bulad katulad noon na ginagawa ko. Ngayon hindi eh. Kaya here. Ito na lang talaga. Kahit maamoy ito, yung dried fish, pero kung Pilipino ka talaga, kain ka ng tuyo. Pero kung hindi ka Pilipino, hindi ka kakain ng tuyo. Because tuyo is life. Parang rice ba? Rice is life sa mga Pilipino. Ito naman, tuyo is life. Ayun po. Yung halapit na maluto, guys. So, pag naluto na ito, saka ko ilagay ang sauce dito. Ayun po. So, ayan po guys. Luto na yung Kaya, ilagay ko na itong ilagay ko na itong sauce. Hirapan ako dahil isang kamay lang ang gamit ko. Ayan po. Oh! Wow! So, yummy! Ayan, minalo ko na yung ang yung tuyo anando na sa ilalim. Okay. See you later, alligator. Okay guys, ayan. Done na.
Wow.
Luto na po yung escabeche ko na dried fish. So, ready to eat na. Woo! Yummy. Looks so yummy. Looks so good. Bye-bye. Yan, nana na tindahan na only, oh. Pasulod diri ba? Nandun ang nano-nana. Ayan. Yan sila, manguli na sila. Muli na mga drummers tayo, kaabot da. Ako sila video, alright, next time na lang guys. Pasali ako doon sa may mga tindahan rin, nanong-nana, Foot Locker. Ano ko sa Foot Locker? Matana ako. Pila ilang Adidas. Nike. Nike pala, Nike. Foot Locker. Matana ako rin pila ang Nike. Back to school daw. Back to school. Ayan ay mga ano. The heart of sneakers. Sneakers, Adidas. Dili ko nagbaktas. Ikan ko sa akong bangko. Itong na mga baboy dito. Oh. Hara, oh. Kaningat mo nakadugmang ko music mo ng mong alam rin ng music, oh. Maglimos ni sila, mga ni sila pila ka pesos, cents, ana. Come on, how much is this? This is no discount? No more discount?
No more discount.
Oh, that's, I want only 7 euro, not 15 euro.
I'm so sorry.
On?
Happy Valentine's Day,
Did you
everybody.
describe already?
I did. I subscribe.
Shout out to your family.
Hey, Mom. Hi, sister.
Subscribe my channel, say that.
Subscribe what? Sorry?
Subscribe my channel.
Subscribe
Their channel.
her channel.
DJ Marky.
Marky.
Alright.
Helmut, right?
Yeah.
Hey.
So, can I buy this for only 10 euro?
Sorry. No, it's 15.
How about, you don't know if this is the last one or the...
No.
Yes.
Yes, Indonesia. Don't know.
Indonesia.
Don't know.
Philippines. Oh, that's so good, huh? Was unser... Ja?
Alles klar, aber voll lustig.
Und wissen Sie, exakt Wahrheit, ne? Was bin ich, ne? Ich bin verheiratet, Witwe, aber ich sag das so, dass ich hatte, bin ich 41, oder, ne?
Moment,
Lesbisch, ja.
Also, hast du eine Frau oder was?
Ja, ja.
Ja?
Aber vorher schon lang, ne?
So.
Vorher schon, ich war 5 Jahre älter, ich auch so meine Familie, wir haben eine große Familie, so I'm afraid, but when I was, became, you know, widow, then I'll show what I am.
Ja.
Schäme mich. Warum?
Warum? Ja.
Ja.
Wenn du like,
Und dann,
doesn't matter.
you know what,
check.
my friend, sie hat Telus,
What?
hat eifersüchtig, hat gesagt, wer ist das Frau? Das ist in Indonesia.
So, in the comments, what was it? Or you
Ja, in the comments hat sie gesagt, ja, enjoy
the shopping and stuff?
shopping
Yeah.
and talking to that lady.
Nice.
But I told her, no, don't. Das ist ein Freund von mir.
Ja, das ist
2019. Und für mich, das ist mir so, ich weiß nicht, wieso, so weil nicht mehr gesehen. Ne? Aber ja, jeden Tag, sie hat mich immer so geschrieben, so Text machen.
Das ist nice, ne?
Ja.
Ja.
Aber ich weiß nicht, weiß noch nicht, was sie da gemacht. Aber ich bin immer treu, aber sie, ne? Weiß ich nicht. Ne? Ja, no. Und sie sagt, ja, es ist, und dann hat mich angerufen, sie ist eine Frau. Und dann, maybe, you make a date with her. I said, no.
We're friends here. We're
Friends, hi.
And
She
I'm
said,
like,
hi, Rose.
hi, Rose. Oh, hi, Rose. My middle name is Rosioma.
Where's your mom?
Yeah. Hi, Rose. From the side of Rose.
Like, that was my little.
Okay.
When hast du day off?
Tomorrow. But I have an appointment. I have to do plasma screening.
Ja, nächstes Mal können wir über Toppen trinken und lachen.
Ja, warum nicht, ne?
Weil du bist ja so wie ein Philippiner, ne? Oder nicht?
Ich sehe, wie alles aussieht.
Aber das
Vietnam,
ist unser
Indonesien und alles.
Geheimnis.
Ne, Geheimnis. You know.
That's it. Okay. Let's say bye.
Bye.
How long is our Vietnam?
Oh, okay. Bye to.
Okay.
See you
Look at my
next time.
face. Do I look 64? No.
No, 50. She looks like she's
15.
50. 50.
All right. Then.
I'm so disappointed in you. Why didn't you give me Valentine's chocolate or something?
Oh, I
It's
forgot.
Valentine's Day.
I forgot. I also I don't have what is that? What do you call that? I don't receive any. So for my kids, no.
It's fine. We don't need chocolate like this.
All time.
You know these Miley Cyrus songs? We can buy ourselves colors. Right? You.
Alright, see you next time, yeah?
See you next
And
time.
then we can talk next time. Yeah, if you have time, then we can talk together and then have to drink and blah blah blah.
For sure.
Babush,
Babush, was ist Babush? Bye-bye.
bye bye.
Babush.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Paalam, paalam.
Paalam.
Paalam na po.
Paalam na po.
In Philippines, paalam na po.
Paalam na po.
Kumusta kayong lahat?
Bukas.
How are you?
Bye.
How is everyone? Kumusta kayong lahat?
Kumusta?
Yeah. Kumusta kayong lahat?
Kumusta?
Okay, I forgot your name. Merlinda.
May, Linda.
Oh, May Linda,
Yeah.
not Mer. Oh, I forgot.
No, you wrote
I
Linda.
wrote that I meet Indonesia woman.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's fine.
Okay, Melinda.
Okay,
Have a nice day and have a nice evening on
You too.
Babush.
Babush.
Bye. There you go now. Mwah. Bye bye.
Bye. Babush.
Go. You go now. You can't go now. All right. So you go now. Bye bye. Abad, abad.
X-ray, drug test.
Alright guys, ito po yung kasaba. Hindi ko napakita na ko na ito na napuga ba. Yan. Wala na siyang maya lalagyan ko ito ng cocos milk. Ayan po. Tapos ito lagyan ko ng sugar. Brown sugar. So, 4 na kutsara. Okay. Tapos ko yan. Mikos-mekos. Alright. Alright guys. Ayan po. Nagsuman ko. Kanya ang kaunan kay init. Okay. Ayan pang dalawa dyan. Tapos, meron akong naluto 3. Wala kasing dahon dito. Kaya, ito yung gamit ko. Ayan. Okay. Ito po yung suman. Buksan na natin. Yan ang resulta. Ito po siya. Ano ito? Kasaba? Balanghoy ba? Balanghoy yung... Wow! Yan! Luto siya. So. Perfect! Alright! Kain na na! Okay. Looks so yummy. Yan. Lamig kayo. Lamig kayo.
Look, I'm smelling
is that? She up, and then Mom sat and there's more pizza. And then tried to put that the father from that.
Pizza yummy. Pizza good.
Mama,
Yeah.
start with toast the skeleton monster and spoke with a fire.
Oh, are you sad? Because you're scared that your mama and papa gonna toot in the fire, yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Are you afraid?
And then look up he said turning in the hall from that. Yeah?
Yeah.
From that.
Yeah. Oh, yummy pizza. Say it, masarap.
Look up the turning in the hall from the skeleton monster.
Explode. They
Turning
explode.
in the hall.
They explode the mountains. That is a volcano. The volcano explode.
Look. Turning in the hall.
Yeah. God.
And then look up the tsunami.
Mateo, can you say it, masarap?
Masarap.
And then?
Mami kayo.
Wow. Lami kayo ang pizza. Yeah?
But start with towards Mama and Papa is in the skeleton monster. That's why start from that.
Don't be sad because Mama was there with you and Kuya. Remember? I was with you and Kuya.
Mama and Papa, that's why they say Mama and Papa down in the skeleton monster fighting that. And look up the tenant in the hall.
Oh. So you eat now? Eat your pizza.
Now that's the fire.
Yeah. Yummy? Is it yummy? Pizza?
Look up the tsunami.
Yummy.
But so many water. And then look at the earthquake. He do that. They make the swamp. He do it. And then look up the what?
Mateo, where is your mama?
Mama?
Yeah?
Where's Mama, Papa? Mama's working.
I thought your mama is sleeping. It's working.
Yeah. And then I go to I go Papa.
You're with your papa and Kuya. When papa cook a pizza, bake a pizza.
And then Mama's in work.
Are you sad that your mama not around? No.
I'm sad because Mama and Papa is the skeleton monster.
Monster? No. Now your papa and mama is in Emden. Not in Monster anymore.
In the hall. Now with the fire.
With a fire, with a big fire, and then exploding. Boosh! Boom! Like that.
Look up the that into water.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Yeah.
And then look up munching in water. It's like that.
You love your mama? Theo, you love your mama?
Yeah.
Oh, lots of bits of salami. Do you love your mama? Yeah?
Mama and then Papa and then Mama.
Yeah? You love mama, papa, and mama, and kuya?
So you?
Yeah.
But Mateo is me.
Say, I love you, mama. Say it.
Love you, Mama.
Love you, Theo. So yummy.
Yeah. But ramen is sour.
You drink milk? Wow.
Yep.
Oh. So neatly. So cute. Milk in your lips. So I'm home now. Ito po yung nabili ko sa kanina. Sa Asian supermarket. Bili ako ng shrimps na wala ng ulo. Lukon ba lukon? Ayun 700 grams. Bili ko ng ano lang 6.99 euro. 6 euro and 99 cents. Okay, yan ang binili ko. Tapos Ito. Dilis. Dried fish na ano. Tag 330 euro. Tapos, nakabili na ko ng ano guys. Yung isa kinain ko na. Ito, bayabas. Bayabas. Kaya, apat ang binili ko. Tag 1 euro ang isa. Grabe. Tapos, bili ako ng sardinas. Ayan po, sardinas. Wala kasi akong sardinas guys. Ayan, 3. Tapos, ano pa? Munggo. Munggos. Wala ako yung munggos. Ano lang ang munggos. 180. 1 euro and 80 cents. Tapos, bumili ako ng ito, karlang. Hindi ko alam kung magkano ang karlang. Basta ang, ano ba yun? Ito, ang palaya. Kasi plano ko magpakbit. Tapos, ito pa. Cubes. 4 lang. Cubes na ano, Maggi. Wala kasing more. Ayan, chicken flavor. Tapos, ito yung nabili ko sa Acer Shop. Nabayaran ko lahat nito is 33 euro and 50 cents ito. Lahat. Ito lang. Ito kasi ang nakapagmahal. No? Alright. Nabili ko kanina dyan lang sa kuan. Tumaan ako sa yung kapitbahay namin na grocery. Bumili ako ng itlog. At saka isa nito dahil pang ano ko sa wala silang Sprite. Ay ito na lang lemonade. Lemonade na lang ilagay ko sa ano sa ano ko, shrimps. Tapos ayan po, namili ako ng talong, sibuyas, 3 talong, 2 talong, 3 sibuyas, onions, tapos 2 kamatis. Ayan. Tapos yung isa pa, the last but not the least, this one. Ayan po. Rice. So, nabayan ko kanina dyan is 10 euro. Ito, saka itlog at saka ito. So, 10 euro plus 33, so 43 lahat ito. 43.50 lahat yung nabayaran ko. Okay, lagay ko na ito sa ref, sa freezer. Teka. Ayan po guys, magluto tayo ng shrimps, garlic and shrimps. Yan. Bango ng garlic at saka onions. And then, ito po yung lupo natin kasi yan wala ng ulo. Yung malinis ang binili ko para. Ayan. Ayan siya, as you can see, ilagay ko na po. So. Wow. So, yan po guys. Dahil wala akong Sprite, ito na lang, lemonade ang ilagay ko, no? Sarap kasi pag ano siya. Ayan, hindi ko inubos. Baka masubraan. So, ganyan lang muna. Alright. Lagyan ko natin ng kunting soy sauce. So, see you later, alligator. Hello. Ito na po yung shrimps ko. Looks so yummy. Ayan, looks so good. Wow. Grabe. Todo na to. Yummy na to. Hi tayo guys. Thank you for watching.